Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain my humble self, the Art of a Man, right over here. So today, part of the unboxing I've done previously in the video. If you have seen the unboxing, so now I'm going to be telling you some tips and tricks about it. So here we have it, the ITEL 20,000 mAh power bank. Right here, it's a very good power bank. It does pretty well, like for charging phones as well. Just one bar left when I was unboxing it, that 3 bar, but I had to postpone this unboxing to this video to make a good review, honest review about my opinions on this power bank itself. So right now I'm streaming my audio through my Android device with my microphone got here. So it's recording right now. Full, you can charge your Android device fully for like 4 or 5 times with this 20,000 mAh itself. It also has a side touch light here, as you can see, which I've unboxed for you and showed you guys how it works. See how bright it can go. I don't know if you can see my face, but it's very bright touch itself. Charging port here. Put side up, you can see it. Put charging Type C and USB-A charging ports like the USB out. Sometimes people will look at 20,000 mAh power banks as power bank that works like 10,000 mAh, but sometimes, mostly where the power bank specially making from their factories, 20,000 mAh power bank itself is spec'd up to be 10,000 mAh. The original 10,000 mAh is 20,000 mAh power bank itself. So meanwhile, while you guys see some 10,000 mAh power bank, it may look like this is actually 10,000. Meanwhile, the batteries and the specs and the capacitors inside the power bank itself may not be spec'd up to that rate. That's depending on the specs of the power bank models, like the manufacturing company itself. But when you're talking about ITEL has very good motherboard. In fact, batteries, yes, good lithium polymer. Like now, I can show you what the lithium polymer looks like. This is how it looks like here. From an old power bank that doesn't work anymore. You may feel like, oh, this power bank works very well, but you want to know about how it works, how it charges. So that's when you need to go to the charging. Oops. I've showed you that before too in the unboxing video. I'm going to show you the picture right here so you can see it. So this one is spec'd at 75 watts. Any higher power bank that you know that you see 75 watts every dead rating, that means it charges the phone very quick. But meanwhile, the battery itself has to be 10,000. Without the battery being 10,000, you cannot have a power bank that's 10,000. If you have a 2,000 mAh battery, but the power bank can be 10,000. You understand that's logic, the kind of logic that you need to understand too. So meanwhile, by looking at this here, there might be 2 batteries here. Either you have 2 10,000 mAh battery like this, 2 of it, dual, and here, stop in the back. You understand? So everything has to correlate for the power bank to work. But in this case, the power bank works very well because when it's at 1 bar itself, as you saw before, it was blinking, but now it became 1. Even this 1 too, it takes very good charge to charge your phone before it gets low. That's one advantage of holding a 20,000 mAh power bank. Whereas 10,000 mAh power bank like this, depending on the model, you can see some that just last for like until you charge your phone to full. As you can't charge any other device again. Or maybe you can just charge some of the small devices like your local Android devices, like all these small Android and the rest. This is another power bank itself, which I've done an unboxing of. ITEL. It's not an ITEL, it's an ACE, like it's a 10,000 mAh. They have some secrets about this. I mentioned in that video, which you need to know, because this charges very quick. Suddenly, as you can see it here, it's 1 bar, but when you charge it immediately, it can enter 3 bar, and that 3 bar can last you for 1.5 hours. See how unimaginable that is. So that's one advantage of that. So let's go back straight to the ITEL power bank itself. That's a very sleek design. The design, so it's very popular. I unboxed an ITEL 10,000 mAh long time ago. You should check that out. The video is right over here. Yes, just click on the video when you want to check it out. That is like the 10,000 mAh of this. That one works pretty well too, but I have some information there in the video so you can understand more better about it. So meanwhile, if you're looking at the power bank itself, it's good. It's a very strong power bank itself. If I have more advice for you guys to get it, I advise you to get it because it's very good. When you have to want to know if a power bank is good, it's when you charge it fully at 4 bars and it lasts even when it reached the last power percentage, it lasts up to like 1.5 hours or 2 hours. That's when the power bank is a very strong power bank. Like this now, in this case, a very strong power bank. Meanwhile, when you want to charge it, this is the code it came with. You can use your Type-C or the normal code, like the power code that comes with your 10,000 mAh and also the 20,000 mAh. When you want to charge the power bank itself, as I was saying, either you use Type-C, because throughout my power bank usage, when you want to use your power bank, you should know that Type-C charges the power bank faster. I don't know if you get that logic, but you should try it. And make sure your charger should at least be like 18 watts or 50 watts charger, for you to know how to boost your power bank itself. Because without you having a good charger, you can't enjoy this. And without enjoying your power bank, you can lose the battery and it can run out. That's leaving the battery to be damaged. It's as simple as that. Without charging your battery, you should know what causes damages. That's all for this video, guys. If you want any information about the power banks, comment down so I can understand what you guys want. Any more information you want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, share this video to everybody who wants it, and let me know more about your power bank itself. Share your power bank experience with me. Thanks for watching. Click the like button and see you next time. Peace.